Looking to purchase hosting or hosting and want a hosting or discount to save you money on your hosting or web hosting purchase? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a hosting or coupon code that will get you a hosting or discount no matter what hosting or hosting plan or service you choose. With the hosting or promo code, you'll get a hosting or coupon code discount on Hostinger's popular shared hosting plans, WordPress hosting plans, cloud hosting plans, and more. You'll also get a free domain name on select Hostinger annual plans. Now let me show you how to save money on your Hostinger hosting purchase. To get your Hostinger coupon code discount, click the link below in the description. I provided the Hostinger promo code to enter at checkout with the link. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Hostinger shared hosting plans page. Something I want to mention is the Hostinger coupon code will work on all other types of Hostinger web hosting services offered, like WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, and more. The steps will be the same. Scroll down to the next section where it lists the plans. You'll see the single, premium, and business shared hosting plans. Something to keep in mind is the Hostinger promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted once you enter the Hostinger promo code at checkout. After choosing a plan, scroll down to the total section on the next page. Enter the Hostinger promo code found in the description with the link. Scroll back up to the top. You'll see the additional savings you'll be saving on your Hostinger hosting purchase. Here's the Hostinger single shared hosting plan discount. You'll see you can get web hosting for as low as $185 a month depending on the term you go with. You'll get a savings of up to 81% off. This plan doesn't come with a free domain name. Next up is the Hostinger Premium Shared Hosting Plan. You'll see you'll get Hostinger hosting for as low as $232 a month depending on the term you go with. You'll also get a free domain name on any of the annual plans. You'll get a savings of up to 81% off. Next is the Hostinger Business Shared Hosting Plan. You get Hostinger hosting for as low as $371 a month depending on the term you go with. You'll also get a free domain name with any of the annual plans. You'll get a savings of up to 78% off. Once you purchase Hostinger hosting, you'll be able to choose your free domain name in the Hostinger dashboard if you selected an annual plan. You can also purchase domain names in the Hostinger dashboard as well. You've successfully taken advantage of the Hostinger coupon code discount. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know which type of hosting or hosting plan you chose. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger hosting tutorial videos.